a professional powerhouse introducing the Dell Precision 5550. Hey everyone, Linus here, and today we're diving into the world of professional laptops with the Dell Precision 5550. This machine is built for users who demand top-notch performance. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's ready to tackle any task you throw at it. Whether you're a creative professional, a data analyst, or just someone who needs a reliable workhorse, the Precision 5550 has something to offer. In this review, we'll break down the key features and see what makes this laptop a top contender in the professional market. From its powerful processor to its stunning display, the Dell Precision 5550 is designed to elevate your workflow. We'll explore its capabilities for handling demanding applications, its portability for professionals on the move, and its overall value proposition. So, buckle up as we take a closer look at what makes the Dell Precision 5550 a compelling choice for professionals seeking a blend of power and portability. Let's get started. Under the hood, power and performance, let's pop the hood and see what makes this machine tick. The Dell Precision 5550 packs a punch with its 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor. This thing chews through demanding tasks like a hot knife through butter. But wait, there's more. We've got 16 gigabytes of RAM to keep everything running smoothly. That means you can have a ton of applications open at once without breaking a sweat. And for storage, we're rocking a spacious 512 gigabyte SSD. This translates to lightning-fast boot times and snappy file transfers. Trust me, once you go SSD, you'll never want to go back. The combination of this powerful processor, ample RAM, and speedy SSD ensures that the Dell Precision 5550 can handle even the most demanding applications and workflows. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, running complex simulations, or juggling multiple virtual machines, this laptop has the muscle to keep up. Visual brilliance, graphics, and display. Now let's talk visuals. The Dell Precision 5550 sports a dedicated graphics card, the 4GB NVIDIA Quadro T1000. This isn't your average integrated graphics, folks. This bad boy is designed for professional applications like CAD software, video editing, and 3D modeling. Expect buttery smooth performance and stunning visuals. And the display? Oh boy, the display. We're talking about a glorious 15.6-inch InfinityEdge display with a resolution of 4K. That means colors are vibrant, text is razor-sharp, and images are incredibly detailed. Whether you're a graphic designer working on intricate designs or an architect reviewing detailed blueprints, this display provides the clarity and accuracy you need. The thin bezels surrounding the screen further enhance the immersive visual experience. Section 4. Sleek and portable design and build. Don't let the power fool you. This machine is built for portability. The Dell Precision 5550 is incredibly thin and lightweight. You can easily slip it into your bag and take it with you wherever you go. But it's not just about being portable, it's about looking good while doing it. The Precision 5550 boasts a sleek and professional design. It's crafted from premium materials that feel great to the touch. From its durable aluminum chassis to its comfortable keyboard, the Dell Precision 5550 is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Its robust construction ensures that it can handle the bumps and knocks of being carried around in a backpack or briefcase. Section 5. Connectivity and more, staying connected on the go. Now let's talk connectivity. The Dell Precision 5550 has got you covered. It comes with a variety of ports to connect all your peripherals. We're talking USB-C, Thunderbolt 3, HDMI, you name it. And of course, it wouldn't be a modern laptop without Wi-Fi 6 for blazing fast internet speeds. Whether you're in the office or on the go, you can stay connected without a hitch. The Dell Precision 5550 runs on the reliable Windows 10 Pro operating system. This professional-grade OS provides enhanced security features and productivity tools to streamline your workflow. Section 6. The verdict, a top choice for professionals. So, there you have it, folks. The Dell Precision 5550 is a powerhouse of a laptop that's perfect for professionals who demand the best. With its powerful processor, stunning display, sleek design, and impressive battery life, it's a top contender in the world of professional laptops. If you're looking for a machine that can keep up with your demanding workflow, The Dell Precision 5550 is definitely worth considering. Whether you're a creative professional, a data scientist, or anyone who needs a reliable and powerful machine, the Dell Precision 5550 has something to offer. It's a worthwhile investment for those seeking to enhance their productivity and take their work